Hey friends, today I'm playing Teardown. I know, cool, awesome game. I have telekinesis installed, and just look what I can do. I also have the ability to spawn things. Get in there, Jeff. Break your legs. Oh no, he's fucking dead. Oh, it's gonna hurt me. We're already 48 seconds in and we're already killing people. I am loving this new power. Yes! Give me the road-eating lettuce, please! Right, cool, I at least destroyed the giant. Ooh, car! I'm back! Bro, what in the beam and G? Where's Jem? Whoa, where's Jeff? Go fuck yourself! Dude, you're on the roof! Bro is Hey, Jeremy. Oh! Property damage. Alright, come back down, bud. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, he's already dead. Oh no, Jeremy's here! Where is he? Oh, I saw, Let me free! Is that where he landed? Bro, just I was like, I can't fucking do it. I'm gonna restart this. This game is so fun. I just got it today. Alright. Today? Sorry. Oh, come on. We just got that reinstalled. Bruh. You're already broken. I also have creepers. Creepers! What? Where's the only normal? You are just Spartans! Oh! Oh my god! I also have a jetpack that is really fucking weak. Boing, 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 boing. Go fuckers. Oh! He's gone! Yay, property damage. Oh! That was a gun too. What is happening over here? Why are you guys floating? I'm restarting the map again. Oh yeah. Sorry, I got like stuff on me. Alright, the telekinesis is really awesome. Yes, yes, it's fucking perfect. Get in there, Jeremy. And break your legs too. Oh my god, he's going up this. You're too OP. If you want to go upstairs, I can just. There you go. Your legs look weird as shit. So, what? What? The amount of glass that can shatter. Oh! Oh, I want to see that thing crash. It's coming down. Oh, I heard it. I heard it crash. You heard that thunk. hell? Oh, there it is. Wait, that was... Why? How do I open a window? Oh, shit! There's my boy. Jeremy, what are you doing? Jeremy. Oh no, did he walk out the window? Where is Jeremy? Oh, I saw him! Oh, there you are! Hi, Jeremy! Hi, hi, hi! Bro, what is he doing? Funny clang. Oh. Oh, there he is. Hey, what's up, dude? I just in general love this game. Robot. Whee! There you go, over the mall, bud. Get across this. Literally, just she goes. Oh no! I have been flipping on my head. Me boy! How have you just not inevitably exploded yet? I'm telling you, them Chinese. Look at this thing. The quality. Oh, you. Rolling outside the window. When they did not skip out. Jeremy is just standing there. Whee! Backflip. How did you not hit me? You can't destroy this thing. Wee. Huh. Huh. How many Jeremys? I'm gonna spawn as much bots and NPCs. Ah! Phil. Oh no, he's glitching. This game is awesome. Whee! Where's that sound? Oh no! Anchor! Whee! Ah! Wait, can I? my god. Rocket boosters! Oh my god. Bro, you're going to fucking... Yeah! Something bad is happening. I am making the ultimate fun. Oh my god, bro, what the fuck? Bro has a stick on his head. How does that? Oh my god. I am making this the rocket ball. It's like a Playmobil. Oh my freaking god! Get paid, like. Oh, here's a stick, Bob. I was gonna keep on shoving these on you until you fucking. I was at some like vehicle thrusters. This is the most weird mesh. Putting them on your legs. Run, 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 get out of there! Oh, no! Oh my god! What is this creature? Something's wrong. Putting glass shattered. Oh god! What if I just... Oh! Sir, you aren't gonna feel what it's like to be underwater. He has a massive dick on his He has a massive dick on his Okay. Come on, dude. Fall over. I'm just on the side. massive stick on your forehead. Oh, there's the second one. Yo, what's up? Oh god, it's coming! This stick forehead. Oh, there's some car. Bro, I could just like hook a bunch of these. Been bullied. You come stick for me. Just make a tutorial out of context population. This episode is, oh god, no, stop Mr. Stickforhead. What is, what is Bro's forehead? Right, yes! How is it already out of use? Never stop adding bombs. Other stickhead is. Oh god. Oh, good stuff is happening this time. Bro has found his useful power. Wait, don't I have like an auto clicker or something? Yeah. Here you go. There we go. It's toppling over. Oh. Oh god! Oh god! Quick ignition! Run! Weighing him down. Hero, let me help you. Oh no, the Pingus machine. No. Oh no. Oh god, my thing came unplugged. Here it comes. Oh. My thing got him. Machine! Sky dong. Sky dong. Why is that so funny? Sky dong. How many rockets can I attach to the anchor? Sorry. Sorry. I'm laughing so fucking hard on it. Taco delivery. Skydog. Skydog. Man. Skydog man. Catchphrase is now Skydog. Should I pick up a Teardown shoe? Skydog! Skydog! Salad. Let's try to recreate Skydog Villager. You're fucking dead. Look how fast I'm going! We can easily recreate Skydong. He's fucking dead. I think I'm a masochist officially. Wait, there's a tank? I would have to try that out. Basic meh. Wee. God! I'll get on top of you and recreate Sky Dog. What type of name is that? No, no turn! No turn, no! Oh! Sky Dog! No! Sky Dog! You're fucking dead! fucking ballistic missile. Egg. Hello, I am inside your wall. Look away, run! Sky Dog! There you are. Now hold still, I will. Here we go. No, no, Sky Dog! Sky Dog, no! Sky Dog! Oh, glory! Whee! Ow. Good luck trying to get him now, bud! Yay, more ballistic missile. The game crashed! Bro, the game crashed! Oh my god! I pissed you wrecked the game. Goodbye, folks. Oh god, my computer's exploding.